What happens when a single computer controls 22,000 drones simultaneously? On February 16, 2026, the world found out. EHang shattered records with a massive drone swarm that turned the night sky into a digital canvas. This isn't just a light show. It is the future of autonomous coordination. But while China lights up the sky, the U.S. War Department is preparing for a different kind of dominance. According to Next Move Strategy Consulting Analysis, the drone market is projected to reach $47.6 billion by 2030, growing at a steady CAGR of 13%. This growth isn't hype. It is fueled by a massive shift from recreational toys to critical defense and logistics infrastructure. North America currently dominates the sector, driven by relentless demand for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance assets. The headlines from February 2026 prove this shift. First, Kratos Defense has just been selected for the Phase 1 Gauntlet of the Secretary of War's Drone Dominance Program. They are competing to build mass-attritable platforms, drones designed to be cheap, lethal, and deployed in swarms. Meanwhile, in Europe, Parrot is staging a massive comeback. Their Q4 2025 revenue jumped 15%, driven entirely by professional micro-drones like the ANAFI UKR.
The Parrot ANAFI UKR, which is our new range of smart, rugged ISR micro-UAV for public safety, defence and government.
So what sort of public safety, what type of government missions might that be used for?
The ANAFI UKR is designed for government and public safety use. A good example of this would be something like search and rescue. So there's been a hurricane or there's been storms, etc. You have an advanced EO and IR camera systems, a thermal and standard camera system, ideal for search and rescue purposes. And then we have a lot of advanced AI in our system.
This brings us to the major technological breakthrough of the year, GNSS-denied navigation. The biggest bottleneck in modern drone warfare is GPS jamming. If you jam the signal, the drone crashes. Until now, companies like Parrot and Agilica are deploying AI-powered optical navigation. These drones see the terrain to navigate, making them immune to GPS spoofing.
A platform that's got Chuck 3.0 integrated would be able to navigate, know where it is, and be able to complete the mission on its own, not relying at all on GPS.
North America is pouring billions into the sector, while the APAC region focuses on scaling commercial delivery networks. The drone market is no longer about taking pretty pictures. It is about autonomy, resilience, and dominance. To understand the full scope of this $47 billion shift, read the full report at Next Move Strategy Consulting. Link in the description. Thank you for watching.